Here's a small deal of low-grade mine run, basically practice material. You may find a couple of pieces in there that you'd like to cut, but basically it's practice material where you're going to grind down to the seam and get used to doing that sort of thing. We'll go a bit closer. Rules in millimetres and materials being wetted. Something like that. You can see there's a seam running through the stone. The object is to grind the top of it off till you come down to the colour, although this hasn't got a lot of colour. Or you could just cut that out and make that into a small stone the way it is there. Some of this material hasn't got a lot of opal on it. Other pieces you might try to cut a small stone out of it. Like that piece, it's got a fine seam there. Probably not even worth trying, but it's worth going and doing it just to practice. Seam in the end there. A purple face on it there. Some of these won't cut. It's just getting the practice of, like that piece, grinding the top of it off, coming down to the opal. It's got scale on it, that might have a bit better colour in it once you grind the top rust off. Some don't have much opal in it at all. We'll take that into account when we price it. Like this deal here, that'll be $30. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.